New product alert! Am I missing anything? I want you to feel so happy today. We are headed into Dollar Tree for a Christmas preview. Is it early? Why, yes it is, but this stuff sells out so fast. So I want to show you what you can find, high-end looks on a budget. This is one of my favorite times of year. Let's hit it. I am so excited to see this brand new product. They have these gorgeous little trees. And again, this is in that really traditional pattern, which is so in right now. Charlie, I'm gonna get a few of these. I think I'm gonna get 3. They have these metal reindeer.
This is 100% Dollar Tree. Let me know in the comments what's speaking to you, and don't go anywhere because I seriously have so much to show you.
Early on, I suggest buying this ribbon. They have beautiful tartan patterns, snowflakes. Maybe you have an old wreath at home. This is a great way to elevate it on a budget. Weave this through, add some of the sparkly decor on top, just a few dollars, and you have a gorgeous piece for your door.
Cut down the ribbon and buy some ornaments as embellishments. I made this wreath for just $6.
Another great trick is to drape this over your door to hang holiday cards as you get them this season.
I love the no DIY DIYs. Do you know what I mean?
Great score at Dollar Tree are the wired ribbon rolls. This is 30% cheaper than it is at Walmart, and look how gorgeous they are.
And is this a fluke? You let me know. Mine were ringing up for just $3.
Also, they have now self-checkout stations. What is this? Super cool.
And who says these giant $3 bows are just for your wreaths? Think again.
I want you to grab a couple foam core boards. We're gonna make a gorgeous DIY on a budget.
Wow your neighbors in just 5 minutes. I wrapped a cut down foam core board in the brown paper that I got from Dollar Tree. You could also use wrapping paper for this. And those bows have really long tails. So I cut them down, glued them on in a crisscross. I added an ornament for embellishment and then the actual bow in the center along with some greenery. This is a little loop at the top to make an amazing alternative for a wreath on your front door. How cool is this?
Crate and Barrel, Pottery Barn are using lots of glitter this year, so I really like this faux snow. You can add this to almost any display you're making, whether it's little candle displays or even giant displays. This is such a beautiful touch for $1.25.
Secret Dollar Tree trick, Epsom salt looks a lot like snow, and then add a little bit of the glitter, just sprinkle it on the top for that extra sparkle. These are 2 Dollar Tree bowls just turned over one on top of the other for little snow globes. You could use old fish bowls with that extra little sparkle on top. I don't want you talking negative about you. You can DIY, give it a try. These ideas are super simple, foolproof. That's my goal. Even this one I've been meaning to try forever. You know how much I love the little mason jar candles. I took these home and one afternoon decided to relax with my kids and melt these down. The key is to put this into a pot of water that's not yet boiling and slowly bring it up to a simmer. All the wax will melt in about 10 minutes. And then very carefully, I just use hot pads and tongs, pour this into Dollar Tree molds. Once they dry, stick them back into the mason jars to give as gifts. These are the perfect wax melts for your warmers, and they are so much fun to make. And speaking of high-end on a budget, look at these Christmas soaps. They have the same thing for $3 at Dollar Tree. I was so excited. I love the vintage look.
It's cold out here and I am living for it. They have the best Botanicals. That's what we're gonna call them because it makes it sound so professional. I really like these sparkly picks. I love sticking these inside of my Christmas trees. Again, it gives that really full look on a budget.
All of my Christmas decor is from Walmart and the Dollar Tree. Yes, you heard that right.
They have brand new greeneries this year. Lots of them have glitter on them. When you see them, scoop them up because they go really fast. These are great for your floral arrangements, wreath making, whatever DIYs you want to do.
These DIYs are very good, and I hope you give them a try. I might even try my hand at making some mistletoe.
Never pass up the cinnamon fragranced brooms. I love these so much. Stick these in your arrangements around your house and in your Christmas tree. You've got to subscribe and come back because there's so much more that they're setting out, and I want you to be the first to know what they have. This is what is setting Dollar Tree apart this year, the plus section. Remember, things here are priced $3 to $5. I love this little ornament. Again, you've got this really traditional pattern. This one is my favorite. They also have one that says Noel. These are absolutely stunning and they're only $3. Anything with beads and garlands, I'm really loving. This sign is coming home with me today. This one is also so beautiful. I love a good advent calendar, but they can get really expensive. These are really beautiful. I love how the wreaths slide down and they have so many different options for just $5. It's a gnome, Charlie. How is this the ugliest one?
It's got like weird long legs. Gnomes are short.
But they are short. Haven't you seen have you seen owls run? Yeah. You know, when they like pick up their body and that's maybe what the gnome is like. It is a big one. He's so cute. He's just $5 and they have little angels. They have really cute little nutcrackers this year. Love these. And these little stuffies are so cute. Let me know in the comments which one you like the best. These mini fireplaces are great. They even crackle, especially if you don't have a fireplace of your own. These LED brush trees are one of my favorite new finds this year. They're battery operated and light up, and I love how whimsical they look. Some of them are not perfectly straight. You can bend them. It's just like a giant nutcracker. He inflates.
Fill the base with water to give it a little bit of weight.
Oh my goodness, look at these bells. How fun is this?
I gave this a quick coat of bronze spray paint and added some nautical rope. I love this look for just $3.
Stop. They have these giant candy canes for $3. This is gonna look so good in the yard. I'm gonna have to hold myself back from buying a lot of these.
Yeah, four's good.
Okay, 4's good. I'll stop at 4. I'll stop. Hold on. Okay, sorry, Billy. Okay.
And I've got the secret for you on lockdown. Get some solar lights and you can screw off the top, and you're gonna use the stakes for these candy canes. These are actually kind of like PVC pipe on the inside, so you can just slide them right over.
This is great too. I'm always looking for lawn decor.
And I believe I can read your mind right now. You're thinking, I don't have a Dollar Tree that's like this, but here's what you do, especially if you're feeling grumpy. Log on to dollartree.com and click Store Locator. Then you can see all of the Dollar Trees near you that have a plus section and find these awesome scores that I'm finding.
Oh, this is a new product this year. How cute are these little wreaths? Oh, these are really classic and cool looking. These little LED lanterns, those are fun.
Those are pretty good puns.
I was looking for these last year. I love them to put in your plants. I am so excited to see these back. The brass wreath rings. They did not used to have these, but I love how they come in 3 different sizes. You can layer these to create gorgeous wreaths that you made.
How much do you think this wreath would retail for? Leave a comment below.
What?
It's over there.
I'm just looking at organizing stuff because, you know, I love these. They're so big and cozy, and you can eat soup out of them. They have puzzle glue here. If you have a Christmas puzzle you do as a family, oh, I love this. You are enough. I'll catch you guys soon.
Oh, it's not supposed to be touching that, right? The candle?
Yeah, we shouldn't be touching that.
You know, you have a Scooby-Doo face on still, right?
This is what Christmas DIY looks like in October. I'm glad for my family.
I sat down on your cardboard. It's this important.